Level 10, Proficiency. The Farmer and the Stork. At the edge of a quiet village, a farmer spent his days tending his fields. After many weeks of labor, he sowed his seeds carefully, dreaming of a fine harvest. But as soon as the seeds touched the soil, flocks of greedy birds began to descend, devouring them greedily. Each morning they returned, leaving the field bare. At last, in anger, the farmer set a wide net across the field to catch the thieves. When dawn came, the net was full of blackbirds, sparrows, and crows. But among them was a stork, tall and elegant, with white feathers shining in the sun. The stork cried, "Good farmer, spare me. I am not like these thieves. I honor men, care for my parents, and meant no harm. I only came by mistake." The farmer looked at him calmly and said, "Your words may be fair, but you were caught among the guilty. The law judges not by words but by deeds and company. Those who stand with thieves must share their punishment." And so, the stork was taken away with the rest. The farmer whispered, "No matter how pure one's heart, he who keeps the company of the wicked cannot escape their fate." Thus, the tale reminds us that a good name is easily lost when we choose the wrong companions.